Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country.
Right, important part of the process. Check the oil every day on the Aprilia. She going in. The most used tool of the day, of the week actually, is Allen keys. So bring Allen keys. Oil's done. Do the chain as well. Bit of lubrication. Right guys, good morning. Welcome to Leon in Spain. We're currently here, if you can see. Today's route is going to take us along, and we're going to end up in Vitoria-Gasteiz, and then obviously the remainder of the week we'll be going into sort of Andorra and the Pyrenees. So again, I'll link some roads where we're going to go. Put them down below. We stayed in this hotel last night, which was actually one of the nicest hotel I think in Leon, and that was the entrance to the garage. So yeah, it's like a high street, which was quite interesting. But yeah, we're on our way out now. Gonna get some fuel. We've done some maintenance, as you just seen. And yeah, let's bounce. See you on the roads. That's so loud. Sounds sick. This woman's face behind us, she's like, what the fuck are you doing? She's giving it the river. She gave it the revving sound as well, jumped out of her skin. That was so funny. Oh, that was funny. I enjoyed that. Did you see the little kid? She was like, rev it. You redlined it and she jumped out of her skin. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, they're good videos. You get people who love it or people who hate it. That was nice. This is a nice left. Yeah. Oh. Don't.
Can't be one of them, can it?
No, in Norway.
Yeah,
they Chinese probably do.
Right, we just stopped for a steak. Cook your own steak, and it came with peppers, chips, all that sort of stuff. I'll pin the location so you can try it. I have some random spare. Oh. What bolt do you need? Ah. What one is it?
There's one it's big.
Yeah. I'll get my bolts out so you have a look. What one is it? Have a look there. They're all quite small though. It's quite sizable.
It must have only just come out.
Yeah.
Hopefully Will finds it, but it's a long shot, isn't it?
Yeah.
These fucking Ventura wrecks, they're not. One lives
But
there.
this plate isn't designed for the Ventura rack.
That's what I had as well.
But equally, that bolt would have been holding the other one on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the one, isn't it?
Size is it? That's big.
It just goes
It's
that
a
way.
shit
like that.
design because it's only.
Did you Loctite them in?
Nah.
So if I'd have run it again, I'd locked all my shit.
I'm guessing it was like that. I don't know.
I brought some assorted bolts, but that's my biggest one by the looks of it.
Nah, that's nowhere near big enough. The next one up from that. Oh, that one might be. Or is that the same?
What's it?
Yeah, no, that's the next
I've
one.
got a fat one.
But if you've got a nut, I can get a nut under there.
I've got a few random nuts, yeah, and washers. Just have a dig and see if there's anything in there that will work.
It's that size, isn't it?
That's a fucking sprocket nut. But there should be a few nuts in there which should go on these. You have to maybe bodge it until you can get somewhere.
Cable tie it on and then find somewhere.
I have cable ties.
But cable tie it on if we can't get a bolt, and then
It's quite big, isn't it?
buy a bolt.
How far's the nearest place?
Oh, I've got cable ties as well.
Yeah, I did see that.
that third and circle. Okay, turn and circle. Yeah, I know. Is it similar to yours? Is it the same as yours or worse?
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, this is where we always end up. Guess where we are? I don't know if your tours end up like this, but 6 times a week minimum, 3 kilos put on.
Other trades.
Problem solving.
Was that how it was before? Or was it further?
Have you got the key?
Yeah, I think that's how it was before, because it hangs over this way, doesn't it? That's the back there.
You got the key?
Yeah. And then it hangs over.
Maintenance.
Dodgy.
It's important to do maintenance.
Don't help your friend and then lose a really important part.
Yeah.
But you can bodge it.
Using bolts off of the Ducati for the Triumph. For the Triumph top box, which is a Ventura. Came loose twice. Ventura top box. And almost fell off. It was like a few seconds away from falling off. Luckily Dan stopped and we bodged it, fixed it. Went to the hardware store and bought some stuff, so he's rotated his top box around 180 degrees. And hopefully all the weight now will be over the seat, not the back of the bike. So his top box is 180 degrees the wrong way, so it's completely the wrong way around. But yeah, luckily our hotel is right next to a car park, right next to a maintenance place like Home Base. And yeah, he's managed to get some stuff, so we fixed it. That's the end of day 2. Sorry about my microphone. It's yeah, the little adapter fell out. Thank you, DJI. And that's that. So no audio on the rides, but that's it. See you tomorrow.